Yesterday I have bought the Colliers, Wandering Jew, sweet potato vine, Rio, coriander and different plants. And now I have a hanging basket. I want to put it in the baskets today. These are the hanging basket and yeah, today we will report them on the new pots, new hanging baskets. This is Resilius firework crackers. It is looking very good. It will look very good in this basket. That's why we're putting this in this basket, in this hanging basket. They look very beautiful. I have already one basket of Reselia. That's why now I want to make another basket because it looks very good in the hanging baskets. In another basket I will put the sweet potato vine. It is also looked very good in the hanging basket. That's why मैं इसको लगा रही हूँ in this basket. Okay. In another basket I am repotting the Wandering Jew that I bought yesterday, and it is also looking very good in the hanging basket. Now my all hanging baskets are ready.